lagi namin pinupuntahan na nail spa is located at Banawe. Guys, today we're at Shangri-La because it's Mother's Day and mag-dinner kami sa Summer Palace. So, mag-stop by muna kami dun sa bake shop nila since kailangan muna namin punin ng cake dahil hindi na kami nakabili ng cake the last time or kanina because sobrang busy. Gusto ko dito yung chocolate chip cookie nila. Yung malaki yung size, pero lagi siyang walang stock. Hindi ko alam if nauubusan or I don't know. We got the black forest corn.
Sakat po na mismo yun eh. Gano'n naman na.
Guys, we just got home. Let's take off my makeup. I'm using this Argan Oil by Pure Term. After makeup wipes, I'm using this cleanser. This is from Cetaphil. Clean face.
Masarap naman yung fish mo. Saka yung sauce, kahit hindi siya honey mustard. Ito 4 pieces. Siguro mas makulay.
I ordered a healthy syrup for takeout. Hi guys! Oh my! Oh, ano ba yan? Nilamok! Hi guys! So today is the day na mag-drive na ako. I'm so excited na medyo kinakabahan since wala akong idea pa na mag-drive ng manual. And sana kayanin ko kasi based sa sinabi nila daddy, iba kasi mag-drive ng manual at saka automatic. I'm scared. But anyways, di ko pala nasabi sa inyo. Yung in-enroll ko is yung executive, which pupuntahan ako ng instructor here. Pinili ko na rin yung para hindi ako mahirapan since magko-commute pa ako if pupunta ako dun sa lugar nila. I'm not sure if pwede ako mag-film, pero I think hindi eh. Kasi since tinuturuan ako, share ko na lang sa inyo yung experience ko. I'm also gonna bring my documents. Ito yung resibo. Ay, ngayon ba? Ito yung resibo nung nag-enroll ako and yung student permit ko. Yeah, so ito yung resibo and yung student permit ko. Ito yung hinihingi daw ng instructor pa mag-start ka na mag-drive. Here's a quick fit check. Guys, kakatapos lang ng class ko and nakaligo na ako and all. And all I can say is, ang hirap pala mag-drive ng manual. But at least, may natutunan naman ako for my first day. Okay naman siya. Tinuro sa akin kanina yung mga basics and stuff. So, ayun, may mga idea na ako kung paano mag-drive ng manual. So, it was a good start. Hopefully, maka-drive na ako after ng mga lessons ko.
We just wanted to take a time to brief you
Na-receive ko na yung product ko.
directly. So parang meron pa rin siyang...
Pag hindi, baka by Monday na lang.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amy, for your time.
Thank you. Just a pin. It's so good. Another week, another coffee. I really love coffee.
po.